What's up everybody, it's Joe here with Joseph Blake Photography, and in today's video we have a bunch more DJI news. We've got photos and spec information on the DJI Flip, we have more information about the DJI Air unit, and we have photos of the Mavic 4 in flight with its giant camera system. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into this info. So real quick, I'm Joe, this is my channel, Joseph Blake Photography. I am a working photographer here in Nevada, as well as Southern California. And on this channel, we talk about tech and news and gear and tips and tricks. So if that's the type of thing that you're into, I'd appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. If at the end of the video you thought that this was informative, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. Social media links, as well as a list of all the gear that I use, are down below. I've got an Instagram giveaway going on, so check that out at the end of the video. Enough about me and the channel, let's jump into talking about these new drones. So we're gonna start with the DJI Flip, which I did a video about a couple of weeks ago. We got photos of this thing and it's got this tiny little body and these really kind of big and interesting propellers with these guards. It's this very lightweight looking, cool, flippy deal that looks like it would kind of slip right into your pocket. Well, now we've got more photos and we have specs. And this information is coming from the usual suspects over on Twitter. That's Jasper Ellens, or X27, Igor Bogdanov, that's Quadro News, and my favorite Twitter handle of all time, Hakasushi. So on the DJI Flip, first let's talk about the specs. So we now have information, number one, about the camera. It will be a 4K. Number one, we have information about the camera. It is going to be a 1/1.3 inch sensor. We've seen so many 1/1.3 inch sensors from DJI. Man, they just must have bought a ton of these and they are putting it in everything. That sensor is going to be able to allow you to shoot in 4K 60 in HDR, and it will include intelligent AI-based tracking for the best angle of your subject. And it's gonna be able to do that for 31 minutes. And it's gonna be able to do 31 minutes because it has this super lightweight construction, and to be quite honest, it looks like it's mostly battery. It will be coming with a 3100 milliamp battery, operating at a little over 7 volts, that comes in at just 83 grams. There will be a DJI branded ND filter set for this camera as well, and a multi-battery charger that to me looks like it'll be able to charge 4 units at one time. And one of the really important things is that it will be a sub 249 gram drone, which means that you will not be required to register it. That is, of course, if you're using it for recreational use. And if you look at the pictures, you'll also be able to tell that on the front, it has a LiDAR sensor, similar to the Air 3S, which means we're going to be getting advanced obstacle avoidance. So it's super lightweight, it's getting hands-free quick shots similar to the Neo, but unlike the Neo, it is both folding and has the LiDAR sensor. What we don't yet know is what its capabilities will be when it comes to, will this be just like a mini drone, or will it be more like the Neo or the Avata and be able to do more in the way of acrobatics when it's flying? If not, in the words of Jasper Ellens, X27 on Twitter, it's just an ugly Mini 5. Additionally, we have new photos for the Air 04 unit, including now not just the processing module and camera, but also the motor system and the transmission system. I'm excited to see what kind of crazy kits people can come up with in building this unit. And last but not least, we have what looks to be one of the best individual shots of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro flying. You can actually see pretty clearly how the front element of this drone has been completely redesigned to accommodate the much larger imaging system in order for it to pack that 90-degree and -80-degree rotation gimbal, as well as the 100 megapixel 4/3 inch sensor. Also rumored to be inside that package is a variable ND system that will be controlled electronically, and up front, multiple 180-degree fisheye lenses to accommodate the updated obstacle avoidance system. Well, I said it was going to be quick. That is what we have for DJI news. If that's the kind of thing that you're into, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you found this video informative, go ahead and hit the like button. I am still doing my Instagram giveaway. I am trying to get to 1,000 followers over on Instagram. Check out this video here for details. I am giving away a bunch of free gear, so get in line. And last but not least, I am offering memberships on the channel where I'll be releasing videos early. offering membership perks like LUTs, Lightroom presets, AI profiles, plugins, and other resources for Final Cut Pro for photographers and videographers to create better content. This is stuff that I have made for myself, and now I want to share it with you as a part of the membership program. But that's it for me. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.